What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Amazon Prime Day. Amazon finally released the official dates, which are going to be October 13th and 14th. And in today's video we're going to be talking about how to prepare for it, what to expect, what are some things that we need to do so that we can absolutely crush these 2 days. So I'm super excited about it. If you guys are too, go down, hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, turn on that notification bell. I appreciate your guys' support, and without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so Amazon Prime Day, what is it? What should I expect? And what is about to come? So I'm super excited about it, and what I want to do first is dive into my screen and give you guys my last year's results for Amazon Prime Day. So last year it was actually during July, and basically what Amazon Prime Day is, it's an invented holiday that Amazon came up with that is like, hey, let's throw a 2-day event where there's a bunch of deals similar to like Black Friday, Cyber Monday type of thing, and let's just spike the crap out of our sales during the middle of summer. So it's kind of a cool concept, and it's been an insanely successful kind of deal that they've ran for the past couple years. And this year it's going to be a little bit different just because of COVID, and they had to change the date to October, but I'm going to actually explain why that actually could be beneficial for us as Amazon sellers. So let's come into my screen right here, and I'm going to put the dates to July 1st, 2019 to July 31st, 2019. I'm going to hit refresh. And as you guys can see, I almost did $65,000 in 30 days. Now, at that time, that was incredible for me, because if we come down here, you'll see that I was doing on average about $1,000, $1,200 a day, sometimes just $1,000, and it just kind of depended. But on the day of Prime Day, as you guys can see, I did almost $10,000, $7,300, $4,000. So my sales absolutely just almost 10x. I mean, $1,000 to almost 10,000 to 7,000. That's insane. And so I was super pumped on this, and I had it. This was almost one of my best months up to that point. And so I was just super excited because, I mean, here we are in the middle of July. My sales exceeded the previous Q4. And so I was just super pumped, and this gets me excited for this Prime Day. And we'll kind of break down what to expect and some cool things that Amazon is doing that's going to benefit us as Amazon sellers. So now let's come over here inside of Amazon.com and break down Prime Day, what it is. So as you guys can see, October 13th to 14th, 2 days, epic deals exclusively for Prime members. And what I'm most excited about, and this is why I was saying that this year could actually be better, there's a few things. So number one, it says spend $10 with small businesses, save $10 on Prime Day. So I'm going to click on this and kind of show you guys what this is all about. And basically from September 28th to October 12th, if you spend $10 on select small business products, you then earn $10 to spend on Prime Day. So this is exclusively for Prime members. And so this is super exciting for us as Amazon sellers, because basically we're small business owners, and if anyone buys your product, so if you sell 100 units a day or whatever, then that's 100 people that have $10 to then go just blow on Prime Day. And so this is super exciting news for us, because there's going to be more shoppers. People are going to have more money to then spend on our products during these 2 days. So this is super exciting news. And another thing that I'm kind of excited about is normally it's during July, during the summer, and there's really no reason why they're buying. It's just because it's some good deals. But now Q4 is coming up, the holidays are coming up, Christmas is coming up. So now people are going to be shopping with the basically intent to buy as gifts for Christmas. So this is going to be like another Cyber Monday, Black Friday type of ordeal. Customers are not just going to be buying to just buy, they're actually going to be buying for gifts for Christmas because they're really good deals. So this is another huge benefit of having Prime Day right now, not to mention the small business kind of thing that they're doing, but it's also during kind of a good time during October where people are starting to shift their mindsets, getting ready for the holidays. So this year I think could be the best Prime Day year yet. I guess we'll see. And after Prime Day happens, I'll make a video kind of giving you guys an update on my sales between both my Amazon accounts. And now what I want to do is kind of break down what I'm going to be doing to best capitalize on this 2 days. So let's come over here, and actually, no, let's first go to the news, the Amazon seller news that they sent out, basically announcing Prime Day. So it says, mark your calendars. If you guys are an Amazon seller, you probably got this. And it basically breaks down all of the details, and it has some kind of cool features and links that you guys can go check out. So right here, this kind of got me excited. Now you can sell your Amazon business in just 45 days. Boosted Commerce raised a massive 87 million funding and already purchased 6 high potential Amazon FBA brands. So this is my long-term goal. I want to sell my Amazon FBA business. There's tons of companies that are going out and buying brands. They raise a ton of money and then they're like, let's go buy this business, because Amazon businesses are super profitable and they don't take a ton of money to run them. So that's super exciting. And then another thing, if you're struggling with cash flow, this is an option that you guys could do. Is Bricks just actually rolled out with something similar to Payability, if you guys have heard of them. It's basically where you can get instant payouts. So I know you guys are familiar where you have to wait 2 weeks for Amazon to pay you. And sometimes those 2 weeks are when you need to reorder inventory. So what you guys can do is sign up with Bricks or Payability. And what I would recommend is sign up for both and see what can get you the best deal, because sometimes Payability is like 1%, but it ranges from 1% to 2%. So if you are getting 2%, then sign up for Bricks, because their instant payouts are a flat fee of 1.5%. So that's something that you guys can do to help cash flow, because during Prime Day, it's crucial to have inventory to get stock, especially coming up for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. This is where a lot of people are going to run out of stock, because Prime Day is coming. They sell a ton and then they're like, shoot, I don't have inventory coming up for Cyber Monday, Black Friday. So now is the time. Don't wait. You got to order your inventory, because that is going to be key to successfully basically crushing it during Prime Day and Q4. So that's something that you guys can do. And then some other things. Don't miss out Prime Day sale. Download the list of top keywords. So I downloaded this list, and it was kind of interesting. And so I don't know if maybe you could target these in PPC campaigns, or maybe put these in your back-end search terms to potentially rank for these. So like Prime Day baby, Prime Day toys, Prime Day air fryer. I mean, the air fryer was searched 658,000 times. And more than anything, this is just kind of interesting to look at, because you see how many people searched these particular keywords over the stretch of 2 days. So there's going to be a lot of shoppers. This is exciting stuff. And then you guys can see some other stuff, like use virtual product bundles to drive more sales during Prime Day. So Prime Day. So you guys can click on these different links, and it's going to basically help you. So that's the email that Amazon sent out. It's kind of cool that they provide a lot of different resources to help us succeed. And this is what I'm super excited about. And more than anything is this support the small business, where you basically shop, get $10 for shopping and spending $10 on a small business. So I love that initiative. But now let's come over to my Amazon account and break down what you're going to do to actually capitalize on these 2 days. So let's come to this advertising tab. Number one, your campaign manager, so your PPC campaigns. More than likely during this day, you're going to be spending a lot more because there's more traffic. So more people are going to be clicking, but obviously that's good, but you may want to adjust your budget. So if you are normally spending $20 a day, during this day, you'll probably spend that $20 of budget within the first couple hours. So you may want to bump that up. And especially if your PPC campaigns are profitable and your ACoS is super, super low, then you want to jack that thing up to like $200, $300, because you do not want to run out of budget, because what's going to happen is everyone's going to run out of budget in the first couple hours. And then the people that have the higher budget are then going to get clicks for cheaper, and they're going to sell a lot more, and it's going to help them rank organically. And that's what's cool about this, is this huge spike in sales. If you guys can get a spike in sales, it's then going to help your organic rank for the future. So all other keywords, and you'll kind of see that after this huge spike, my sales kind of stayed, they were a little bit better. Like I had a day of 1,500, 1,600, 1,500, where I was before doing like 1,000 to 1,200. So that's kind of the goal, is to get that sales velocity, because the more sales, the more organic rate you're going to get. So that's something that you guys can do with your PPC. But I will say a big but. Don't just try to sell as much inventory as possible if you don't have the inventory to sell. So if you guys haven't properly prepared for inventory, then don't just try to push as many units, because that's actually going to hurt you in the long run. You're going to sell super well for 2 days, and then a few weeks after you're going to be out of stock, and then that's going to kind of actually hurt you. So just be careful with how you're running these different deals and PPC campaigns, because you want to stay in stock, because that's the key to success with Amazon. So that's the advertising tab, campaign manager. Maybe adjust the bids a little bit. Another thing that you can do is this. Actually, you can't get a lightning deal for Prime Day. I actually reserved my Prime Day lightning deal spot back in like March. So sadly, you won't be able to do a lightning deal. You could do a lightning deal for the first week of October, so the 5th to the 11th. And that actually could be super beneficial, because there's going to be more traffic with this small business initiative. So they're gonna wanna spend the $10. So that could be also a good time to run a lightning deal even before Prime Day. The next thing is coupons. You'll want to throw like maybe a 5% coupon code, because people are coming to Amazon to get a deal. And if they don't see that it's a deal, then they may not want to buy it. So that's an option, is doing a coupon. So like a 5, 10%, 15% off coupon is an option. And what I'm going to do for some of my products that is the Prime exclusive discount. So if you click on that, basically it'll break down the Prime Day guidelines and talk about all the requirements that you have to have. So like a 3.5 star rating or higher. The discount must be at least 20% off the non-member, non-promotional price. So it basically breaks down the guidelines. And this is something that you're going to want to do. And if you enter in this discount, it's going to basically have a Prime Day special discount. So instead of like a coupon code is going to say Prime Day discount. So that's going to be huge when people are searching and they see a big, huge blue banner that says Prime Day discount. So that's how you're going to get this. You go to the advertising tab, Prime exclusive discounts. You're going to name it. You're going to start it. So I would start it, I mean, you could start it right away, but you could start it on like the October 11th to the 14th, and then you add the products, and then you have to discount it at least 20, and that's going to really help you get that sales velocity. So those are some things that I'm going to be doing. Again, I'm only going to be doing this on certain products that I have enough inventory to do so, and maybe slower moving ASINs, but the products that I'm not doing this, I'm going to do my PPC campaigns and then throw on a coupon code of like 5 to 10% to make it look like it's on sale. So I'm super excited about Prime Day. I hope you guys are too. I'm excited to share with you guys my results. Hopefully they turn out good. I'm super optimistic with the dates and the initiatives that they're doing. And so you guys just need to capitalize on this and use all these resources to really take your business to that next level. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys need any help or anything about Amazon FBA, I have a ton of resources down below. I have free trainings, I have free guides. I have a full mentorship program that takes you from A to Z, that breaks down the entire process. That is amzchampions.com. I'd love to have you in as a student and break down everything even more in depth. So basically that program is everything inside my brain. I spend hours and hours and hours and hours filming videos. It's actually been over the past couple years, I've been filming videos for that training, the course. So if you guys are interested, the link down below. And I just want to say thank you guys for the support. If you guys have not yet subscribed, do so. Like the video, drop a comment, and we will see you guys in the next video.